Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to column, add color in table in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add column, color table. Now firstly insert from column. Now go to the insert menu option. Then click for a table option. Now select from a table, column and row. Then we insert from table. Now select from a table. Now going to the fill color option. Now going to the line color. Then click for a black color. Now click for 3pt and click for a border color border option. Then click for all border. That is. Now add column color. Now select from any column. Then going to the fill color option. Then choose color. That it. Then again another column from select. Now select from column. Then click for a fill color option. Now click for a choose color. That it. Then again another column. Now apply from same process. That is. Then I show add column, color table in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.